Hello, welcome to Science Synthesis. I am L.E. Eze. Today we shall be doing the egg and vinegar experiment. In this very experiment, we shall place an egg inside a vessel containing vinegar and we shall leave it for 48 hours. After 48 hours, it is expected that the eggshell will dissolve in the vinegar, leaving behind the thin egg membrane. Also, it is expected that the egg will swell and become elastic. This we shall see in this very experiment. This is a wonderful experiment that you too can try out at home. However, later on, we shall see the science behind this. Sit tight and let's enjoy ourselves in a world of science. Thank you. For this experiment, you'll be needing a glass cup or any vessel that can house the liquid, an egg, and vinegar, and ensure that the vinegar will cover the egg entirely. Pour the vinegar inside a glass cup. And then we'll put the egg inside the vinegar. And we'll leave it for some time. After 48 hours of soaking this inside vinegar, this is what we have. So let's bring it out and then wash it. Let me get the water we'll be using. So let's wash. Let's take it out gradually. Sorry. It's not big. It's damn big, man. Damn big. So let's wash. Stay with me as I wash. So after washing in water, let's keep it down. Okay. So that's our output. Let's shift this. So let's see what happens. You know we can't try it with this. You cannot try it out. So after 48 hours of soaking, sorry about that, after 48 hours of soaking, this has turned to a ball. That's turned to a ball. So can you try this with this? You don't try it. But with this, no. So you can press this. See, you can press this. But you can press this. Can you do that? The science. The anatomy of egg. An egg is made up of 4 major parts. The eggshell, which is made up of calcium carbonate. The shell membrane, the layer seen when the eggshell is removed. The albumin or egg white. The yolk. When the egg is immersed in vinegar, the vinegar breaks apart the solid calcium carbonate crystals into their calcium and carbonate parts. The calcium ion stays dissolved in vinegar and floats around in the vinegar, while the carbon goes on to make carbon dioxide, which is the bubbles we see around the entire egg. After 48 hours, the eggshell dissolves, leaving the white inner membrane, which swells and becomes elastic. This membrane is semi-permeable. This means that it lets some molecules through it and block out other molecules. Since the inner shell is non-semi-permeable, the vinegar permeates the membrane due to osmosis. And that is why the egg swells. Osmosis is the process in which water molecules move through a membrane. The natural movement of water is from the side of the membrane with a higher concentration of water to the side with a lower concentration of water. We notice that the egg expanded in the vinegar solution when the eggshell dissolved. This is because vinegar has a higher concentration of water than the inside of the egg.